Welcome back to AutoCAD Mission 99 Lecture 2. We have installed the software. Let's get familiar with the workspace. Today I will give you a complete walkthrough of the AutoCAD 2026 user interface. Let's get started. Now let's look at the AutoCAD welcome screen. It is strategically divided into three parts or three sections to help you work like a professional. On the left side, we have the open and new options. In my professional journey, I always start here. Use new to select a proper template, and open to browse your existing industry drawing from your local drive. Suppose if you want to open the existing drawing, click here. See, there are 5-6 drawings. I can open project 52. This is the existing drawing. I will go back again. And if I want to the template file open, I will click on new. This is the new window. This is the template file, drawing 1. Recent documents. The middle section is where you find your recent documents. This is a massive time saver. You can see your last worked municipality sheets or architectural drawings. What you've done here. I recommend using the pin icon to keep your most important project files always on the top. Suppose if you want to keep this file on the top, you just click on pin icon. See, this is now on the top. Again, you can unpin. Click here. Finally, on the right side, you see the announcement and learning area. This keeps you updated with AutoCAD latest features and online help. As a pro, it's good to keep an eye here for any official updates from Autodesk. Now that you understand the gateway to AutoCAD, let's click on new and enter our workspace to start our first drawing. User interface. Today we enter the heart of AutoCAD. To work like a professional, you must master your workspace. Let's break the user interface one by one. Look at the top left corner. Click the red A. This is your application menu. Here you will find new, open, save, save as, import, export, publish, print, drawing utilities. Think of this as your office door. Everything starts here. Right next to the A, you see the small icons. This is the quick access toolbar. It has the same save and print tools, but for fast access. You can even click the small arrow to add your favorite tools here. Like I want to add layer or new. This is the new tools. Even layer. This is the layer bar. You can close also. Click layer and again click on New. Number 3, Workspace Switching. This is the Workspace Switching menu. For this page, we will stay in drafting and annotation. Why? Because we will do only 2D works. But later, when we move to 3D modeling, we will switch here to access those advanced tools. Number 4, the title bar. At the very top center, we have the title bar. This is more than just a name. It shows you the AutoCAD version and the full path of your current drawing. This .dwg is the signature of a professional AutoCAD drawing that I discussed in lecture 1. On the top right, you see the info center. You can search for commands or help here. As a pro, if you ever get stuck or want to know the internal details of a command line like L for line, just type it here. It is your direct link to the Autodesk database and online documentation. See about L, you can learn many things from here, details. Now look at this white bar. This is the ribbon. It is organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, View. Under each tab, you have the panels like Draw panel, Modify panel, Annotation panel, Layers, Block, Properties. Menu bar. Now look at the very top. This is the menu bar. I always keep this visible. While the ribbon is modern, the menu bar is like an old library. Everything is perfect, organized here, from file management to advanced tools. Suppose if you want to take measurement, click dimensions, you will find everything here, linear aligned arc, or you can use the annotation. You also find here from ribbon bar. Drawing tabs, just below the ribbon bar, you see the file tabs. This allows you to switch between multiple open projects. In a real office, you might have an architectural plan in one tab and a structural plan in another tab. Even plumbing and sanitary plan need to do work together. So need multiple windows. The Start tab. At the very top, before your drawing tab, this is the Start tab. I use it to quickly jump into the recent documents or check the Autodesk update without closing my current work. Number 10, the drawing area. This large black space is your drawing area. In my professional journey, I always tell this infinity canvas. The most important rule is that we draw at a 1:1 scale. This means we draw everything at its actual real world size. If a building is 100 feet long, we draw it exactly 100 feet long here. Suppose L for line, from here to here, this is 100 feet. So exactly we start here 100 feet. Number 11, ViewCube and Navigation Bar. On the right side of the screen, we have the ViewCube and Navigation Bar. While we mostly use this for 3D work, they are essential for zooming and orbiting around large complex layouts. We will discuss detail in 3D modeling page. Number 12, UCS icon. At the bottom left of the canvas is the UCS icon. It shows your X and Y directions. Never ignore this. It is ensure your drawing orientation is mathematically correct. We will learn this in detail lecture 5. At the bottom left, we have model and layout tabs. We draw in model space 1:1 scale, like this one. But we prepare for printing in layout space. I will show you how to set up professional sheets here later. Number 14, the command line, the brain. Look at the bottom. This white bar is the command line. This is the brain of AutoCAD. I always tell my students, talk to AutoCAD here. If you type L, AutoCAD asks you for a point. Suppose I'll type L. AutoCAD asks me specific first point. I click here. Then ask me specify next point, next point, next point, next point, and next point. I close it. Escape. Lecture 15, the status bar. Finally, the bottom right corner. These small icons are the toggle buttons. They control things like grid, snap, ortho mode, object snap. We will learn this in detail in lecture 12. But for now, just know this it is your control center. The share button. Number 16. At the top, next to the profile, this is the share button. In my professional journey, this has replaced sending heavy email attachments. By clicking this, you need save files. Okay, I have a save files open here. Okay, by clicking this, you can generate a secure link to your drawing. You can choose to let others views only or edit and save a copy. Whether your client is another city or on a construction site with a mobile device, they can see your progress instantly through the AutoCAD web app. This is ultimate tool for a modern professional. The generated link is valid for 7 days. This is the link. This link is valid for only 7 days. I hope you feel comfortable with the interface. Tomorrow in lecture 3, we will customize the screen colors and crosshair size. Please like and share this video if it helped you. See you there. Om Shanti.